Mm-hmm. Look at that. Ooh-wee. So look here, you can take this here and you just stick it against your firebox. Boom. Trace that hole, cut it out, stick this on there, plug weld them holes, or you can do a stitch here and there. You can do whatever you want with that there. Slide this little damper blade in it after it's on. Put your little rod through there, put a handle on it, whatever you want. You can bore that hole bigger. It's 1/4 inch now, but you can make it a 1/2 inch hole if you want. Put some 1/2 inch round bar in there. Give you a little weld. It's a nice damper. I like it. I like it a lot.